Welcome to Moiz Gardening. Today, we'll show you how to hang pots like a pro and turn your balcony or terrace into a lush green paradise. Whether you're a gardening beginner or a plant enthusiast, these tips will help you create a stunning and space-saving garden. First, let's talk about choosing the right planters. Lightweight pots and sturdy hanging hooks or brackets are essential for a safe and stylish setup. Macrame hangers are also a great choice to add a touch of elegance. Next, learn how to install your hanging pots securely. Use strong brackets or hooks to attach planters to walls or railings. Make sure they're properly anchored for safety. Now comes the fun part, choosing the plants. Opt for lightweight, low-maintenance plants like pothos, ferns, or spider plants. These thrive beautifully in hanging planters and add a fresh vibe to your space. Want to take it up a notch? Try vertical gardening. Use wall-mounted planters or stacking designs to maximize small spaces and create a gorgeous green wall effect. Here are some quick pro tips. Water your plants regularly, but avoid overwatering. Ensure proper sunlight and ventilation for optimal growth. Experiment with different pot arrangements to find your perfect look. Transform your space with these simple yet effective gardening hacks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Moiz Gardening for more creative tips and tricks. Let's grow together. Stay tuned for more videos from Moiz Gardening, and let's make your garden dreams a reality.